Given that A, O and B lie on a straight line segment, evaluate the angle AOC. So that means we want to figure out this angle here. So AOC, A to O to C. We want to figure out what this is. And we've got some algebra here. We've got these three parts of algebra. We also know that that's a straight line, so I know that those three angles add up to 180. So let's just add them all together. So I've got 3x plus 94 plus x plus 18, so that's the second angle, plus 2x minus 4. I know all of those add together to give 180. Now I can start to collect my like terms, so I'm going to put circles around my x's, including the sign in front. So my circles are 3x, add x, add 2x. So 3x add x is 4x, add 2x is 6x. And I'm going to put squares around my numbers. I'm only interested in the left-hand side of the equal sign at the moment. So the squares, positive 94, add 18. So 94 add 10 is 104, and 4 add 8 is 112. And then take away that 4 on the end is 108. So altogether I've got that 6x plus 108, and that was equal to the 180. And then I can do a balance method. So I can take away 108 from both sides. So I get 6x is equal to 72. And I can divide both sides by x. So remember, balance method is all about inverse operations. So that's going to give me x is equal to 72 divided by 6 is 12. So I've now got x is 12. I would have picked up some marks, but I haven't finished because remember I want to figure out what this is, the 3x plus 94. So if I just go back up here, 3x plus 94, and I've got now x is 12. So I can substitute that 12 in. 3x means 3 times x, so it's 3 times x is 12, and then add 94. 3 times 12 is 36, add 94, so 94, add the 6 is 100, add 30 is 130 degrees. So the green angle is 130 degrees.